What's up guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design your own WordPress website using Elementor. So just watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end and you're gonna like it. Alright, let's quickly get started. So this is what we are going to follow. You can see this script over here. This is what we are going to follow to build a very successful blog right now. So all that I want you to do is to make sure you buy your domain and hosting and meet me right now on this dashboard. You can see the first topic over here is saying that log in to your WordPress dashboard. So that is what we are doing over here. We're gonna log into our WordPress dashboard. Now to log into your WordPress dashboard, you have to type your domain address /wp manage login as you are seeing over there on your screen. Now I am not using a custom domain. In case you want to sponsor me to buy a custom domain, check the link in description and get in touch. I'll be very grateful. Alright, so let's quickly log in by just clicking here. As you enter your username and then your password, then you click here login. So this is gonna take us to our WordPress dashboard. As you are seeing here, this is a brand new WordPress dashboard. It's looking very nice, but you can see there are a lot of things over here. We're gonna clear some things right now. So let's just go to the top here and then we click here. You're gonna uncheck all this. Okay, let's remove all this. So after doing that, you can see that our screen is now clean. Now in case you are new to WordPress, this is your home page. This is where you'll be updating your things. And this is where you will post. You can see all posts here, add new categories, tags, all of them are under post. The same thing is at the top here. You can see post, media, page, user. And then over here, this is your media library. This is where you'll be adding your pictures, your video or whatever. And this is your pages. This is where you create your pages. This is where comments will be. And then this is your appearance. This is where we set our themes, and then our theme editor, everything will be here. And this is where we add our plugins. You can see plugins over there. And then we have users here. This is where we set our user profile. We have some tools here, setting over here, and then this is where we can collapse this menu or also bring it. For example, if I click on it, you can see it is gone, and I click on it back, it will come back for us. Alright, so now let's quickly go to the script again and see the second thing that we need to do. The second thing is saying that install a theme. So let's go and install theme. So to install theme, just come over here and hover your mouse on appearance, and then you come to theme. So you click on it. And then this is gonna show some themes that are already installed and also available over here for you. But before we install a theme, let me come over here and then open our website in the new tab, and then we're gonna look at how our website is looking currently, and after we design our website also, or after we design our home page, how it's gonna look. So right now we're gonna see how our website is looking currently right here. So this is how our website is looking right now. Okay, let's have a look at it. You can see it has no form over here, but when we finish, it's gonna look very nice. So just follow me. So let's go and add theme. This is what theme does. Theme adds look and feel to your website, right? So right now, as you have come, the theme that we are seeing over here is the first theme that is being installed. That is showing here. This is the 2023 theme. That is the theme that is being installed at default, right? So right now let's add a theme. The theme that we are going to add is called Astra. So let's click here, add new, and then we are going to install Astra. You can see Astra over here. In case it's not here, just come to this place and search for it. So this is the theme. So let's click here, install, and then you click activate. So right now we have installed our Astra theme, and I can go back to refresh our website and let's see how our website is looking. So let's refresh now. So you can see it's now having some look, but still it's not nice. We are going to do that. We are going to build it right now. Alright, so after we've installed our theme, let's go back to our home page or the back end, that is the dashboard. And then the next thing that we are going to do over here, let's go back to the script. It said that install plugins. So over here we are going to install our plugins. So follow me, let's go and install our plugins. We hover our mouse on plugins and then we click add new. And then right now we are going to install some few plugins over here. The first one that we'll be installing is called Elementor, because we are going to use it to build our website. So you write Elementor over here. So this is it here, Elementor website builder. Just click install and then you click activate. So right now our Elementor is being installed as we are seeing here. You can just go ahead and remove these plugins by marking them. You see these plugins, we don't need them right now, so let's just remove them by doing bulk action that we delete. Okay, so let's delete them. We don't need those plugins, right? We're supposed to do that earlier. Alright, so this is Elementor that we have installed. So right now we are going to install another plugin. So the second plugin that we'll install is called, let's click here, add new, and then this plugin is called Element Kit Elementor Add-ons. So we put it over here and let's search for it. So this is it right here. You can see Element Kit Elementor Add-ons, this one. So you install it and then we activate. Alright, this is okay for now to build a very successful website. So let's move to the next part. So the next part over here you can see 4 is site title. So let's go and do that quickly. So to add a site title, all that we got to do is to come down here to settings and then we're gonna go to general. And then we can see site title over here. Your site titles always come first in the search engine and then your site tagline always follow. So it's very important for you to write your site title and then your site tagline. In this case, my site title over here is Gent Blog, and then what is the tagline? The tagline can be get your latest home and garden info here, or anything else. Something like you can write get your latest news updates, or whatever thing that you want to write, right? You can write anything there. So I can say get your latest home news or whatever. So anything can go over here. So I will leave this just like this, get your latest home and garden info. I just want to create some blog in the home and garden niche, right? So after you have done that, just come down here and then you save changes. Okay, so let's quickly move to the next part, that is saying set permalinks. So let's come here and set permalinks. To set permalinks, you can see it's right here under settings. This is it over here, permalinks. Click on it and then this is how your permalink could be looking at default, but you can come over here and put it at post name. That is the best option to choose. This is how your post will be displayed in search engine. Okay, so after picking that, come down here and save changes. Alright, let's move to the next part again. Let's create a category. So a category is where we are going to add our posts. So posts are normally kept in category. So you can see the category always at the top of the website, that is on the header. So right now let's create a category. To create a category, come to this place that is saying post. Over your mouse there, you can see categories right here. Click on it. And then when you come here, you can see the new or at default. You will see uncategorized over here. It's always at default, right? So you are going to create some categories. It depends on the niche that you are creating the blog in. In case it's news website, you can create some categories like latest news, sports, Champions League, whatever thing that you want to create under news, maybe entertainment, maybe celebrity, music, or whatever thing is a category, right? So over here I'm going to put a category. Since I'm designing a home and garden niche, home and garden website here, I can put something like a home design. I just like the home and garden niche. I don't know why, so I always design websites in it most, but do your own differently, right? I'm just using this to show you the way. So I'll just write home design here. Then you come down here and save it by clicking on add new category. So you can see the category is being added right here for us. Let's add another category again. I can add another category like garden here. The same way you can also add another category, maybe music. It depends on your needs, right? So you can come down here and then you add new again. So our category is now set. Let's move to the next step. The next step is saying that let's add menu. To add menus, let's come to this side again, and then we're gonna hover our mouse on appearance. Then we come to menu, click on it. And then you can see this is where our menus will be, and then we are going to add some menus right now very quickly so that we move on, right? So to add menu, what we have to do is to come over here and then we put a menu name right here. Let's say the menu that I want to add is top menu, so I'll put it over here. That I'll come down here and select primary menu, and then I'll create menu by clicking here. So this is gonna create a new menu for us. So all that we got to do is to add our categories to the menu right after we have created our menu. So let's now add our categories to this particular menu. So how are we going to do that? We're gonna come over here to where it's saying that categories. Let's click on it, and you can see our categories will be here. So we come here and click view all. So let's view all. These are all the categories that we have. We're gonna add them to the menu. So always add the one you have created. Leave uncategorized, don't add it to the menu. If you create a post and you don't add it to any category, it will surely come to uncategorized, but we don't want it to be on the header, so you just leave it there. And let's mark these two, right? So we come here and click add to menu, and then you can see right now it's being added to our menu. You can just drag this to this side in case you want it to be a sub menu. It will be a sub menu, and then when you bring it back, it will be a main menu. All right, so let's save our menu now. So our categories have been added to the menu. All right, let's go back to our script and see the next thing that we got to do. So the next thing that we got to do over here is to add posts. I'm having some posts on SEO writing AI. I'm gonna copy them fast so that we continue. So let me go to SEO writing AI here, and then let me come down. I have some posts right here. SEO writing AI is a very good AI that can write every blog post, including images. You can see it's adding images to it right now for you. All you have to do is to check the video at the top there and make sure you use the link in the description and sign up right here to begin to write your blog post. You can see a very full blog post over here, but in this case, for the tutorial to be very fast, I'm just going to copy some few paragraphs and then we're gonna add the blog post. So let me save this image right now first, and then let me just come over here and save the image. So let me copy the title of the post. This is the title, and then let's go back to our WordPress dashboard here. To add a post, you can come to the top here and click new, and then you can see posts over here. When you hover your mouse over here too, so you can see all posts, and then add new is here. So anyone that you use will take you to the post. So let's just add new here. So this is our blog editor that has opened for us. In case you don't want to use this one, you can download the classic editor plugin as I demonstrated in my previous video, right? So right now let me put a title here, and then let's come over here, and then we are going to add our post right here. Okay, so what we'll be doing is that let's go back and copy some paragraph, and then we come and paste there very fast so that we move on very faster. So let me just copy this first paragraph. Let me do it very quickly, and then I'm gonna paste it here. So let's say this is our blog post, but make sure you take time and watch my video that shows you how to create a perfect blog post. This is not a blog post, I'm just doing an example, right? So after we have done that, let's come to this side here, and then let's select a featured image. So let's put the image here. You can just come over here, and then we upload the image. So our image is in download, so let me click there. It's the first one over here, I think so. So always make sure you bring the image title and also the alt text. It's very important. I will demonstrate that in my next video. So let's set this, and then the next thing that we got to do is to select the category that we are going to put the post. So this category is about design. So let's put it in home design, right? So you just come here, let's publish, and then you click publish again. Now let me go and add another blog post right now. Let's add another one. So let's hover our mouse over here on new again. Then we're gonna add another blog post, right? I want to add at least 3 blog posts very fast, then we move on. They are not full content that I'm adding, I'm just doing an example here. So let's go back to the SEO writing AI, and I'm going to copy one of my blog posts again. Let me copy this one over here. Then let me copy the title first. So let me put in the title here, and then let me copy some paragraph here again. Let's say let me copy this paragraph, and then let me come and put it here, and I'm gonna add a featured image as I've done, but I think that featured image is already in my library, so let me add it right here. Always click post here so that you can see the characters that are here. Okay, so this is under garden, so I'll select garden, and then the featured image, I'll click on it, and then I'll come here, and then I'll select the featured image. So I think it's this one, the potato is this one. Let me click on it. So it's gonna come here, and then I will select it and then publish. So publish again. So let me add a third blog post right here. I always want to take you back here so that you will not get confused. Okay, so we are hovering our mouse on new again, and then post again. So let me go and copy one blog post again. That is the last one for today. So let me just come over here, and then I have one blog post here again. Let me copy it. Let me copy this one. Okay, SEO writing AI is very good, so make sure you choose this AI. So let me just copy this one, and then I'll copy the title here, and then I'm gonna put the title in right here. Okay, and then let me copy some paragraph there as we've done earlier. Let me just copy this. It's just example I'm doing. So right now I need some featured image. In case you don't have any featured image, just go to puzzles, and then you enter it. Over here you can get free stock images. In case you don't have any image to use in your blog post, you can come over here, and there you can get free stock images and use. And sometimes if you want to get ad approval, it's very important for you to give credit to the owners under the image. Right now I'm not teaching that. So let me search something like home. I need some home image right here so that I can use. So you can just come to where it says filters and then make sure you select you come to orientations and select horizontal so that your images will look horizontal. So let me just download this one and use for now. So we download it there. So we download it there. Let's go back and then add it. You come back, remember, click on post, and then you're gonna come to set featured image, and then let's upload the image here by selecting it. So this is it. So let's set it there, and then this time around I'm going to put it under home design again because this is home design, right? So let's publish it again. Click on publish. Alright, we are done with the post. So the next thing that we got to do over here, let's check. That is the last thing that we are going to do to make our homepage look very nice. That is, we customize our homepage. So we are at the end. So make sure you hit that like button for me, and let's quickly get to this. So let's go back to our dashboard again. And then all that we are doing right now, when I come here and I refresh our homepage, you're gonna see that we'll be seeing our posts, but they will not be looking nice. That is why we need to customize our homepage. So I'm refreshing the homepage, and let's look at how things are looking now. So you can see the blog posts are here, but they are not well arranged. They are not looking nice. That is why we need to customize our homepage, right? So let's go and do that. So let's come back to our WordPress dashboard here. You can just pull this down in case you don't want them. Alright, so let's come back here. What we need to do right now is to customize our homepage using Elementor. So we will click on pages. You can see here, let's mouse on pages and go to all pages. So you come here and then you click add new. You can see add new. So we are adding a new page. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our first page over here. That is our home page. So let's come here and then we put home here. So I'm gonna write home here, and then let's publish it. Okay, so after publishing it, let's click here, edit with Elementor. And this is going to open the Elementor for us right now, and we don't need Elementor Pro to do this. Everything that we are using here is free, so we don't need Elementor Pro. Just watch how I'm going to do it, and I know you can do better than me. So let's continue. So it's gonna come like this, and then click on continue. Over here, click on activate container, and then it's gonna ask you to select this. Make sure you leave it like this. And then it's gonna take you over here. So what we'll be doing is that make sure you click here, activate all. And then you come down here, as you have seen that they are now marked green. Come down here and then save changes. Okay, so let's go back to our Elementor by coming to this place that is pages, and then let's click here all pages, and then you can see our home page is right here for us. So let's go back to our home page by clicking edit with Elementor. So this is Elementor, and when you come to the left hand side over here, we have what we call elements. And then at the middle here or on the dashboard here, whatever thing that we do over here will surely be on our home page. That is the main website page. So for example, if I just drag and drop this heading right now, you're gonna see that it will come here. So you can see it here. So in this is called section, and in the section we have columns, right? So you can just go ahead and edit whatever thing that you want to edit. For example, if I want to edit this text, you just click on it and come to this place and see. If I change the text, you can see that it's changing right there. So that is how it is. If you want to delete it, you can just come over here and then delete the container, or you go here and delete the column. So whatever thing that you do, it will go. For example, I can just come here and then I'll delete this. So I'll click on it, that is gone. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our first page right now. That is our home page. You just need to come over here to this red thing and then click on it. And then right now it will send us over here. You can see we have a lot of templates over here to select. It depends on your niche. All of them are free. We are using a free Elementor right here. Okay, so what we need to do is to come to this place that is saying categories, and then you come to this place that it says blog post. Click on it, and then it's gonna display a lot of sections over here for us to select to design our blog post. So we need a nice blog section right there. So let's come down here and select something like this one. Okay, this one is nice. Whatever one that you like, just click on it. So you come here and set it. So right now you can see that it appears right here. So for example, if you want to edit this heading, we can just click on it, and then we come over here. This is heading or title here. You can see. Let's write something like latest post. Or you can write anything. Maybe it depends on your niche, right? If you are running a news website, it can be latest headlines or news headlines, or whatever thing that you want to put over there, trending news, whatever thing, right? So after putting that there, you can go ahead and change the color if you like by coming to style, and then you go to title, and then you can see color is here. Click on it. You can select any color. The same way, if you have a color code from some website, you can just paste it over here and then it will change. So you can see the color has changed. Alright, let's leave it like this. After you do anything, make sure you save it in case you like that. So you come to this place and click publish, right? So it has been published. In some places, it will be at the down here for you. So you make sure you do that. So now let's come down here. This is where our post is going to be displayed. Let's click on it. And then after clicking on it, you can see it has shown right here for us. Make sure you come here and select the number of posts that you want to be displayed at the top here. In this case, I just want 2, so I will select 2, and I want it to be a large featured banner just like this. And then what again? You can just come down here to where it's saying query. This is very important. This is where you are going to select the kind of post that you want to be displayed there. So click on the query, and then make sure you put this also at the same number that you select first, so 2. And then come here and then let's select a category. That is a category of post that we want to be at this place. So the category of post that we want to be at this place, let's select it here to be recent posts. Let's click on it. So you can see recent posts are shown here. These are the posts that we have. Okay, so it looks very nice, very beautiful. Then you can just go ahead and publish it. So let's go and see how it will be looking on our home page. So when I close this, so this is how it will be looking at our home page. That is the top. Okay, this is our header, right? So I will show how to edit the header in my next video. So this is how it will be looking on our mobile phone. This is how it's gonna look, right? And then this is how it's gonna look on tablet. So let's go ahead and add some few things over here again. So let's bring this back by clicking here. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is let's come here again and then click this again. We are going to add another element right here by clicking here. And then we are going to add some other ones over here. Maybe if you like this one, this will show the post in this particular way. If you like it, anyone that you like, you can just select anyone. Okay, so let's see through. Maybe you like some here, but I will advise you to come to this place, or I suggest you come back here to where we select the category. Then this time go to, and then we go to post grid, this place. So click on it, and then it's gonna show some post grids over here. You can see these ones. Maybe if you like them, you can select. Let's select this one. Maybe this one is okay. So this is how it's gonna show, right? So anyone that you like is cool for you, you can just select it. So you come over here and insert it again. So over here we can just edit this title over here and click on it and edit it. Maybe read more or more reading. It depends on your niche. Whatever thing you want to put there, you can put trending news there. So I'll write something like more reading. And then you click here to select the post, the number of posts that you want to be displayed there. Maybe 6. Always make it 3, 6, 9. Okay, so maybe I just want 3 of them to be there. I'll just come here and reduce it to be 3 or 6, any number that you want. And then come here to style. You can just go ahead and bring this up and down to face the height, or to put it at the height that you like. Then you can also go to advanced and do some few settings over there. With all this, let's come to content again, and then let's select the category that we want to be displayed here. So the category, for example, let's display gardens, and then again let's display home design there. You can put any category that you want to be displayed here. You can sometimes you can select only one category, right? So it's okay for us. This heading over here, you can go ahead and change the fonts. In case you don't want this font, just click on it. You come to style, and then you go to title, and then you select the color, whatever thing you want to change. Just select the color. For example, you can change the color, let the color be like that. You can go ahead and change the font by clicking typography here, and then we're gonna increase here. You can see when you increase this, it will go up. When you reduce it, it will go down. And then you can change the font here. I suggest you use this font. It's called, let me search it here and see if it will come. I suggest we use this font that is called Poppins. Okay, so you select Poppins or you search for it. It's okay. So let's reduce the size a little bit. It's too big. It's okay. So you can go ahead and publish it. So right now, let's see how our website is looking again. So this is how our page is now looking. You can see we have now gotten the top and then the middle over here. Now let's add something again, then we call it a very good one, right? So let's go ahead and add some elements by bringing this back. Let's come here, and then this time around we are going to select the element at this hand side, right? So let's go to add element, and then we're gonna come down here to our element kit, and then scroll down to this place that is saying blog post. So drag and drop it here. So you can now see that it has appeared here, and then we can just put some title here again. For example, let's click here. You click the plus here, and then we can add some title like let's say must read, right? So let's click this plus, and then it will bring us to the element section again. So we bring heading, Then that heading, we're gonna add something like must read or read now, whatever thing you want to add there. So let me put must read here. Or you can go ahead and make it block letters in case you like. Must read. Alright, so you can also go ahead and change the color or whatever you want to change, the same way we did everything. It's alright. So you publish it. Let's have a look at how it's looking on tablet. This is how our website is now looking on tablet. You can see it's very nice blog post. So whenever you publish blog post, the middle here is gonna fold, okay, because we added about 6. So articles are going to fill all this place and it's going to look very nice. You don't need to worry at all. So this is how it is. You can check it on mobile and see how it's looking. On our mobile phone, when we take it from the top, this is how it will be looking. Then you can see it's very nice. Then you can see our blog post will be displayed very nicely. Alright, so after you've done that, that is it. And all you have to do is make sure you create your header and footer also, and put some logo over here on your header and make everything look very nice. So you can see how our website is looking now. In case you like my video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also tell me what you want me to do next, and I will surely do video on that particular topic for you. Alright, see you then.